Hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome to all of you. I hope that you all are fine. I'm going to mute all so that we can continue this class smoothly. You can write in the comment section, okay? I can read your comments in the comment section. So, students, today we are going to study about the algebraic expression. The chapter is coming in half yearly. Yes. So, let us start the video now. What is an expression? This term is there in your book. What is an expression? You are familiar with the following type of numeral expression. For example, 12 plus 6, 3 into 12. This is 3 into 12. Okay. 6 into 3 plus 2, 15 minus 4 into 6. Now, what I want to tell with this, what is a variable? Variable क्या है? In the expression of 12 plus b, this is an expression. देखो, in the previous slide, 12 plus 6, this is an expression. 3 into 12, this is an expression. 6 into 3 plus 2, this is also an expression. 15 minus 4 into 6, this is also an expression. Now, what is variable? So, now we are having an expression that is 12 plus b, and here the letter b is a variable. B is a variable. Now, what is a variable? A variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown value. Unknown value means the value which we don't know. For example, if we talk about 12 plus B, so we know the value of 12. 12 is a number and we know what the 12 is. Okay, but here B is the unknown value. We don't know the value of B. It may be any number. That is why V is called variable. Now, what is algebraic expression? When variables are used with other numbers or operations, so they make algebraic expression. For example, when we use numbers with variable, for example, 2 is with a, so a plus 2 is an algebraic expression. Okay, expression is, for example, 4 plus 2, this is also an expression. For example, 5 plus 3, this is also an expression, but this is not algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is something in which we are having variable as well as a number. Okay, or only variable also, a into b, this is also an algebraic expression. A into b is also an algebraic expression. Okay, for example, this 3m plus 6n minus 6, this is also an algebraic expression because we are having variables as well as numbers. Okay, so what is algebraic expression in which we are having variable as well as numbers? They are called algebraic expression. And what is variable? Variable is any symbol or any letter that represent an unknown value. Fine. What are coefficient? A coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable in an algebraic expression. What does it means? In algebraic expression, the number which is in multiply is called coefficient. For example, here you can see in 6m plus 5. So what is in multiply with m? Which number is in multiply with m? 6 is in multiply, as you can see here, this 6. This is in multiply, so this is the coefficient. Now, here in this algebraic expression, you can see 8r plus 7m plus 4. So 8 and 7 are in multiply with R and M. With R, 8 is in multiply. With M, 7 is in multiply. So 8 and 7 both are variable. Clear? Sorry, I'm so sorry. 8 and 7 both are coefficient, not variable. Okay, 8 and 7 they are coefficient. And in 14, B minus 8, which number is in multiply with B? B के साथ कौन सा number multiply में है? Which number is in multiply with B? So as you can see, 14 is in multiply with B. So 14 is a coefficient. In the same way, if I write 5x minus 2y, so which is, now tell me the coefficient. 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y. Now tell me the coefficient in this algebraic expression. Tell me fast. 5 and 2. Very good, Sarah. Very good. सबसे पहले सारा ने आंसर दिया है. Very good. 5 and 2 are the variables. Next. Sorry, 5 and 2 are the coefficient, not the variables. Now next is, what is a term? What is a term? A term is the name given to a number, a variable or a number and a variable combined by multiplication or division. For example, here in this algebraic expression, if you see, a plus 2 ये हो क्या रहा है? What are you doing? Okay, a is one term and 2 is another term. So there are two terms in this algebraic expression. Now here 3m plus 6n minus 6. How many terms are there in this algebraic expression? So there are three terms, 3m, 6n and 6. So how we differentiate the terms? So we differentiate the terms with a plus sign or minus sign. We do not differentiate them with multiply or divide. Okay, we do not differentiate them with multiply with or with divide, but we differentiate them with plus or minus. For example, 5 into a, how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? Tell me. 5 into a, how many how many terms are there in 5 into a? In 5 into a, how many terms are there? There is only one term. One term, not two, रुकैया. One term only. Why? Because मैंने अभी आपको बताया मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड से टर्म डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करते हैं, प्लस या माइनस से ही करते हैं. तो 5a is one term only. जैसे आपने बोला था कि 3m एक अलग टर्म है, 6n एक अलग टर्म है और 6 एक अलग टर्म है, तो 3 टर्म्स हुए. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर 5a एक सिंगल टर्म है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5x upon 3. How many terms are there in this? How many terms are there in this algebraic expression 5x upon 3? 5x upon 3. How many terms are there? So Akshara, only one term. It has only one term. ये वन टर्म ही माना जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 5 के साथ x मल्टीप्लाई में है और 3 डिवाइड में है. So we do not differentiate the terms with multiply or divide. Multiply और divide से हम उसको अलग नहीं करेंगे. तो हम कहेंगे कि this is only one term. ओके, तो फिर अलग कैसे देखना है? हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि कितने टर्म्स हैं? तो ये बहुत सिंपल है, सिर्फ प्लस माइनस से देखा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3x/2 प्लस वाई, तो कितने टर्म्स हैं? अब ये एक टर्म हुआ और ये दूसरा टर्म हो गया. So there are two terms in this algebraic expression. Okay, I think it is very clear now to everyone how to recognize how many terms are there. Is it clear? What are constant? अब देखो, we have already studied the variables. अब हम देखेंगे कि constant क्या होते हैं. Variable, what was variable? Variable is any letter or any symbol that can has any value. Now what is constant? A constant is a number that cannot change its value. Variable अपनी value change कर सकता है, लेकिन constant अपनी value change नहीं कर सकता. For example 2 एक constant है, तो 2 तो 2 ही रहेगा, 2 कभी 4 नहीं हो सकता. For example if you are having 2 candies in your pocket, तो वो 2 candies 2 ही रहेंगी. Until and unless आप उसको चेंज नहीं करते हो, उसमें अलग से ऐड नहीं करते हो, ना ही उसमें से निकालते हो, तो 2 कैंडीज 2 ही रहेंगी. तो कांस्टेंट वो होता है जो कभी अपनी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं कर सकता. लेकिन वेरिएबल ऑन द अदर हैंड, फॉर एग्जांपल x, तो ये तो कोई भी इसमें वैल्यू आ सकती है. So what happens? A constant is a number that cannot change its value. I will unmute everyone later, okay? Not now. You can write your comments here. In the algebraic expression, for example, 5x plus 7y minus 2, which term is constant term? So constant term is -2. बाकी ये 5x भी वेरिएबल है. अब आप कहोगे सर 5 तो कांस्टेंट है, तो बेटा जब कोई कांस्टेंट वेरिएबल के साथ आ जाए तो वो पूरा टर्म वेरिएबल बन जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? अगर कोई नंबर किसी वेरिएबल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड में है, ध्यान से सुनना, इफ एनी नंबर इज इन मल्टीप्लाई और इन डिवाइड विद एनी वेरिएबल, तो वो नंबर भी वेरिएबल बन जाता है, यानी वो पूरा टर्म वेरिएबल बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया 5x का. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज 100/y, तो इट इज नाउ वेरिएबल. ओके, so in this algebraic expression, -7y plus 2z minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so which term is constant term? Can you tell me in this algebraic expression which term is constant term? Yes, 3 is the constant term here. This 3 is the constant term. Figure it out. Now, figure it out. Identify the terms coefficient and constant here. So what you have to do, you have to identify how many terms are there and what are the coefficients and what are the constant. So if we talk about 1, तो इसमें अगर हम बात करें terms की, तो there are 3 terms. And coefficient क्या है? 12 and 6 are the coefficient. 12 and 6 coefficient है. So I was telling you that there are two coefficient 12 and 6. And now, which is the constant term? 4 is the constant term. Okay, 4 is the constant term. Now in this, how many terms are there? In question second, there are two terms. And coefficient are 4 and 2. And constant term 0. No constant term. इसमें constant term नहीं है. Now here there are two terms in this also. And coefficient क्या है इसमें? C minus 32 में coefficient क्या है? Who will tell? Who's gonna tell me what is the coefficient in C minus 32? No, coefficient is 1. 0 नहीं है, 1 है. C के साथ देखो, जब कोई नंबर वेरिएबल के साथ कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई में नहीं होता है तो वहां पे 1 होता है. तो 1 is the coefficient. 1 is the coefficient. And constant term is minus 32. Now in question 4, there are two terms. Coefficient is 3 and constant term is 2. Is it clear? Writing algebraic expression. This was the first chapter, if you remember, first chapter, first exercise, algebra की जो first chapter था. So you can translate word phrases into variables expression. For example, 3 more than a number. So 3 more than a number, so let the number be x. So it will be x plus 3. More than means you have to add. Okay, more than means you have to add. So x plus 3. Now the quotient of a number and 8. So quotient of a number is y. So y upon 8. Quotient कैसे आता है? जब आप divide करते हो ना, तो you have to divide it. Now 6 times. Times means मैंने आपको बताया था जहां पे भी times आ जाए वहां multiply करना है. तो 6 times a number. Let the number be x. तो x into 6 हो जाएगा. तो हमने यहाँ पे x नहीं लिया है, n लिया है. तो 6 into n, या इसको हम 6n भी लिख सकते हैं. 6 time a number. You can watch the repeat video also if the network is not okay with you. Okay, 15 less than a number. So if a number is z, so less than means minus z minus 15. Next, the quotient of 30 and a number plus 10. Quotient of 30 and a number plus 10. यानी कि 30 को डिवाइड करना है एक नंबर से, that number let's say is x. So 30 upon x and plus 10. Next, keywords to look for. Hello? जी. There are keywords to look for. एडिशन के लिए ध्यान रखिएगा, ये सारे वर्ड्स आते हैं. कहीं पे भी ये सारे वर्ड्स दिखाई दे, दैट मीन्स आपको ऐड करना, आपको प्लस का साइन यूज करना है. मैं आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द कीवर्ड्स इन द चैप्टर, बट यहाँ पे आप और अच्छे से देख सकते हो. इफ इट सेज ऐड और इट सेज प्लस और सम और टोटल और इंक्रीज बाय और मोर देन, तो इन सारे वर्ड्स के प्लेसेस पे आपको प्लस का साइन यूज करना है. If it says minus, if it says difference, it says subtract, it says less than, it says decrease by, या फिर वो कहता है less, तो वहां पर आपको माइनस का साइन यूज करना है. क्लियर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट सेज 5 more than x, 5 more than x, तो more than I have already told you, more than जहां पे भी आए प्लस का साइन यूज करेंगे. So you will write 5 plus x. If it says difference of 5 and y, difference of 5 and y, तो आप कहोगे 5 minus y. Okay. Now up there are some keywords for multiplication. If it says product or times or multiply, इन तीनों के प्लेस पर हम multiply का साइन यूज करेंगे. प्रोडक्ट, टाइम्स और मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है. इफ इट सेज कोशेंट और डिवाइड, तो हम डिवाइड का साइन यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, राइट algebraic expression for these phrases. Number 1, 4 more than s. तो चलो जल्दी से कमेंट में लिखना स्टार्ट करो. 4 more than x, सॉरी s. 4 more than s. Start writing in the comment section. 4 more than s. बेटा लिख के दिखाओ, ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट मत लिखो, लिख के दिखाओ, एक्सप्रेशन लिख के दिखाओ. You have to write the expression. Very good, Bisma. Very good. Where is Jatin today? Where is Abhigyana? She, both of them, they are not there, I think, in the class. Huh? Acha, okay. ये 6B है. Okay, okay, fine. So 4 plus s. It's not x, Sara. It's s. ध्यान से देखो स्क्रीन पर. s है, x नहीं है. The product of 7 and c. The product of 7 and c. Product of 7 and c कैसे लिखेंगे? 7c. 7 into c, into साइन नहीं यूज किया जाता है, तो 7c डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. ओके. 9 लेस देन x. 9 लेस देन x मीन्स क्या है कि x से 9 को कम कर दो. x माइनस 9. 9 लेस देन x. Okay, next, a number divided by the sum of 4 and 7. एक नंबर को डिवाइड किया गया है बाय द सम ऑफ 4 and 7. यानी एक नंबर, लेट से वो नंबर x है, तो x को डिवाइड किया गया है 4 plus 7 से. तो आप लिखोगे 4 plus 7 इस तरीके से. यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ. So you will write x divided by 4 plus 7. Okay, next, twice the sum of a number plus 4. What does it means? Twice means 2 times. The sum of a number, let's say वो number x है, तो sum of a number plus 4. एक number है plus 4 है और उसका twice, तो ये होगा algebraic expression 2 of x plus 4. क्या मतलब हुआ? The sum of a number and 4 and twice of this. Next, the sum of 3 upon 4 of a number. The sum of a 3 upon 4 of a number and 7. So 3 upon 4 of means multiply a number that is x plus 4. So this is the answer. Means the sum means ये यहाँ पे आपको add का साइन लगाना है. Sum of 3 upon 4 of a number and 4 and 7. Sorry, यहाँ पे 7 लिखोगे. Next, 10 times a number increase by 150. So 10 times a number, let's say number is x. So 10 times of x is 10x, increase by 150. So 10x plus 150. Don't worry, I'm recording the video. Next, write an algebraic phrase for these situation. A car was traveling 35 miles per hour for a number of hours. अच्छा, ये अभी आपका क्या है, थर्ड या फोर्थ यूटी में हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, तो मैं अभी ये नहीं करवा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। अभी थर्ड या फोर्थ यूटी में एक चैप्टर है जो हम कवर करेंगे, तो अभी मैं इसको स्किप कर रहा हूँ. So that's it. So this is all for today. Now I am going to unmute. If you want to ask any question, you have any query, you can ask. By the way, this is all for today.